The San Antonio River Walk, also known as Paseo del Rio, is one of the most famous attractions in San Antonio, Texas, offering a scenic and lively experience along the San Antonio River. It is a network of walkways lined with restaurants, shops, historic sites, and cultural attractions, located one level below the streets of downtown San Antonio. Scenic Walkways and Bridges. The River Walk stretches for about 15 miles, including downtown and beyond, offering picturesque views, lush landscaping, and stone bridges. The area is home to a variety of dining options, from Tex-Mex and BBQ to upscale cuisine. Some iconic spots include Casa Rio, Boudro's, and the Esquire Tavern, one of the oldest bars on the Riverwalk. River Cruises is a narrated boat tour or a river taxi operated by Go Rio Cruises, providing historical insights and unique perspectives of the city. The River Walk connects to famous landmarks like the Alamo, La Villita Historic Arts Village, and San Fernando Cathedral. Throughout the year, the River Walk hosts events like Ford Holiday River Parade during Thanksgiving weekend, Fiesta San Antonio in April, Day of the Dead River Parade, and St. Patrick's Day River Dyeing. While the River Walk is open year-round, spring and fall offer the most pleasant weather. Nights are especially vibrant with illuminated paths and live music. The River Walk extends beyond downtown, such as the Museum Reach, which leads to cultural institutions like the San Antonio Museum of Art and the Pearl District. Mission Reach connects to San Antonio's historic missions, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. San Antonio, Texas, is a city rich in history. culture, and economic growth, making it one of the most unique destinations in the United States. Founded in 1718 as a Spanish mission and colonial outpost, it has since grown into the seventh largest city in the country and the second largest in Texas. With a population of over 1.5 million residents, San Antonio blends its deep historical roots with modern development, offering a diverse and thriving metropolitan area. The city is known for its warm hospitality, rich Hispanic heritage, and strong military presence, earning it the nickname Military City, USA. One of San Antonio's most iconic landmarks is the Alamo, the site of the famous 1836 battle for Texas independence. It stands as a symbol of resilience and is one of the most visited historical sites in the country. Just steps away from the Alamo, the San Antonio Riverwalk provides a vibrant and scenic escape, featuring winding walkways lined with restaurants, shops, and entertainment venues. The Riverwalk serves as a cultural and social hub of the city, drawing millions of visitors each year. Beyond downtown, the San Antonio Missions, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, showcase the city's deep Spanish colonial heritage with beautifully preserved 18th century missions that tell the story of Texas's early history. San Antonio is also known for its diverse economy, with key industries including tourism, healthcare, military, cybersecurity, and technology. Home to Joint Base San Antonio, JBSA, which includes Fort Sam Houston, Lackland Air Force Base, and Randolph Air Force Base, and Randolph Air Force Base, and Randolph Air Force Base. The city has a strong military presence that contributes significantly to its economy. Additionally, San Antonio is a major player in the healthcare sector, housing renowned institutions such as the South Texas Medical Center. The city is also becoming a hub for tech startups and cybersecurity firms, further fueling its economic growth. The city's vibrant culture is reflected in its festivals, food, and sports scene. Events such as Fiesta San Antonio, a 10-day celebration featuring parades, music, and traditional Texan and Mexican festivities highlight the city's love for community and heritage. San Antonio's culinary scene is a melting pot of flavors with a strong emphasis on Tex-Mex, barbecue, and Mexican cuisine. The city has even been designated a UNESCO Creative City of Gastronomy, recognizing its unique and historic food culture. Sports enthusiasts also take pride in their hometown team, the San Antonio Spurs, a 5-time NBA champion that has built a passionate fan base.
And we appreciate the time you take coming down here to River Walk. If you did enjoy your time with me, tipping your driver is allowed, accepted, and very much appreciated. I also accept cash out. If you forget any of your belongings on a boat, don't worry, we have a wonderful lost and found website. It is www.ebay.com.
With its blend of history, cultural richness, and economic opportunity, San Antonio offers a unique balance of tradition and progress. Whether exploring historic missions, strolling along the Riverwalk, indulging in world-class cuisine, or enjoying the city's many festivals, visitors and residents alike find plenty to love in this dynamic Texas city.